Manantial de Salud, Dove Springs.
Agua es muy bien, le toma todo el día.
My name is Pat Smith and I'm the director of Little Dudes No. 2. Our philosophy at Little Dudes is to keep children active so that they will continue to be active throughout their life. The children at Little Dudes, while they're inside, are active. They dance. They also sing traditional children's songs like Head and Shoulders, Knees and Toes, and do the activities that go with the songs. We also do yoga. Our outside play environment offers a variety of activities for the children. We have a playscape with a slide, and the children love to slide. We offer basketball by using a laundry basket, and that is one of the children's favorite activities. The staff keep the children very busy outside with teacher-led activities, follow the leader, hopping, skipping, and throwing the ball. Of course, the children have plenty of time to make their own choices, and it's fun to see what they come up with. Part of our orientation here is encouraging parents to be active with their children and sharing with them the importance of limiting television. I'm urging all parents and child care directors to get their children active at least 5 hours a week.
Manantial de Salud, Dove Springs.